ACCA AFM Advanced Financial Management. It is actually an optional paper from your professional level. So apart from two mandatory SBR and SBL, you have to choose two optional. And in my opinion, actually, most people, or in fact everybody, should be choosing AFM. AFM, in my opinion, it should be a mandatory paper because it is so important for accounting and finance professionals. I mean, whether you work in practice or you go to industry, everyone in finance, accounting and finance, we see our first milestone as finance managers. And to, work effectively as a finance manager, the knowledge from ACCAFM is absolutely very essential. Exam structure is like three questions in exam. First question is for 50 marks, so that's a long question, and then two questions for 25 marks each. 80 marks are your technical knowledge, 20 marks will go to professional skills. Although, I use and recommend BPP study text. So the chapters in BPP, you can see there are 15 or 16 chapters. But if you divide this syllabus, there are three important knowledge areas. One is, investment appraisal or advanced investment appraisal. The second is valuation and merger, acquisition, business valuation, and the third one is the risk management. So these are the three syllabus areas, which include approximately 8 to 9 chapters of the book. And the three questions in exam, definitely they are going to come from these three areas. I have a very detailed course on advanced financial management AFM with a lot of practice kit questions with explanation and detailed explanation of every area of the syllabus. And our students always show very good results. Weekly live sessions with me. You get WhatsApp group support by me. You have weekly assignments. You have progress tests. You get mock exams, and I provide my own study resources. Very selected study notes and short notes for revision for exam. All it needs to pass your AFM exam is that you need to allocate something like 160 hours to cover the entire activity. Which includes watching videos and taking the test and doing assignments and doing at least 40 hours of practice on your own, which is very important. Important syllabus areas are investment appraisal, business valuation and acquisition, and risk management. Although there are 16 or 17 chapters in the syllabus if we see the BPP book, but the knowledge areas are three: investment appraisal, valuation and mergers, and risk management. Exam does require complex calculation. It also has a discursive part, but the complication of the calculation part is like which requires a lot of practice by your side. So if you allocate 160 hours approximately, depending on your academic strength, you can pass this exam with me. So join my course for ACCA AFM, and let's prepare together for the upcoming exam session.